Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hi everyone. First of all, I want to introduce myself. My name is Indra Mawati. I am from Faculty of Communication, University Islam of Bandung. Today in this video, I want to presenting our research about the role of teacher communication in improving digital literacy in elementary school. This video is present for Sores 2020. Please watch it.
Today, we live in digital era where all aspects of human life quickly shifted into the digital realm. Economic, social, political is no exception in education, and the presence of convergence media is already a necessity. The increasing internet user of the world and Indonesia from time to time have shown that digital life and the online world is already a part of people's lives today. The education of ICT has been input into the learning curriculum since elementary school in Indonesia. The student learned to find and searching for some information by online and has only been taught to upper level elementary school students who are 4th to 6th grade. However, the finding of the Indonesia Internet Network Organizing Association or APGI mentioned that demographic data of internet user in Indonesia 2008, children in Indonesia using the internet media from the age of 5 years old to 9 years old as much as 25.2% and 66.2% aged 10 to 14 years old. Children born as native generation because they born in the digital age. They can learn and adapt using ICT faster than their parents or teacher. But that doesn't mean they can understand the information, the dangers and benefit of this ICT. In various assignments that use data search on internet, many students still do not understand how to choose the right information and tend to copy-paste what they have from online to their assignment without understanding the information they get. And this is what makes the role of teacher in school in communicating and internalization of digital literacy in school is needed. So what's the meaning of digital literacy? Hagel in 2010 defined digital literacy is about much more than having access to or being able to use a computer. Being digital literate more than know how to use it or have knowledge of how to search for information or communicate with it. But it's about collaborating, staying safe and communicating effectively. It's about cultural and social awareness and understanding. And it's about being creative. Based on our research, with qualitative method and case study approach, 100% of upper class students 4th to 6th grade, they already know and already used to access the internet. 55% of students admit to using personal gadgets, and the rest of the students use their parents' or siblings' gadgets. 80% of respondents admit to having multiple social media accounts such as Instagram, Facebook, and TikTok. From research results, only 70% of students admitted to getting direction related to internet use at home from their parents. Most students also admit to playing internet and social media online games. 10% of children claim to play in public internet cafe with a time limit only 2 hours. 35% of children claim to use their snack money for buying internet quota so that they can play online games. Sometimes they play at friend's house, or known as mabar, main bareng, using Wi-Fi from the friend's house to save quota. And this whole activity admitted to being known to their parents, especially their mother. Mostly, male students play a lot of online games like PUBG, COC, Mobile Legends, FF, Worm, and so on. The student, as a respondent, admitted they don't know. To own and access social media like Facebook must be at least 13 years old. They thought it's okay to having it. Even the student also don't know that some of the games they play aren't aimed for children. And those games have violent content that's not suitable for children. Although children are now born in digital era or digital age, commonly called digital native, the ability of children to understanding and master communication technology does not just happen. They need to direction and still have to supervise according to the age of growth in accessing online media. In this case, parents must control the use of digital media so that children can get the benefit from digital media and avoid negative impacts. And in the school itself, the student claim the teachers only reminding them about how to use ICT. There are no specific lessons related to media literacy, and the relation between school and ICT only tasks from the teacher on the aspect of seeking information related to the subject. Unfortunately, both parents and teachers do not yet understand what digital literacy means. Sensing that access to digital media is widely done at home, the school and teacher feel that it is not their part of the task to teach digital literacy. The upper level teacher grades simply remind them of the dangers of internet access and how to use ICT wisely. This is also the case that we find out because the kid not allowed to bring gadget to the school, so it's rare for teacher to provide information related to digital literacy. And parents only remind their kids not to take too long to access the gadgets. Based on the research result, the understanding of digital literacy in elementary school education currently still at the level of how to use ICT, search and understanding of information only, whereas digital literacy has a very broad meaning, a true efficacy of various aspects. Mr. Wan Ng in 2012 mentioned that digital literacy results from three intersecting dimensions. First, the technical dimension of being digitally literate, broadly meaning possessing the technical and operational skill to use ICT for learning and in everyday activities. Second, cognitive dimension is the ability to think critically in the research, evaluate and creating cycle of handling digital information. Requires the individuals to be knowledgeable with the ethical, moral, legal issue. Third, social emotional dimension of being digital literacy and the intersecting areas between the social, emotional, and cognitive dimension involve being able to use the internet responsibly for communicating, socializing, and learning, observing, including netiquette, and so on. So the conclusion is digital literate is mean the collaboration between each of dimension. If we want the young people, our kid, our next generation have good digital literate, education system should build ability of technical, cognitive, and also social emotional literacy. And teacher should develop learning way in every subject in school with ICT, so the student will have digital literacy in all concepts. If currently learning and understanding is only on the concept of knowing how to use the internet and looking for information, or just describing how good and bad side of the internet is, or only to minimize the negative impact of the digital media literacy by school is not yet complete. The challenge in the future is how teachers and students can adopt technology in curriculum development and the need for various change in media use. The education system, school, and teacher can no longer use the old teaching way policy because the challenges of students today are very different from the past generation. The presence of ICT has changed many ways of life. By internalizing digital literacy in subject, teachers not only provide an overview and reflection of the flow life experience of the younger generation in the use of digital media, the teacher will expand the student knowledge and they become more critical in their way. With comprehensive digital literacy, it means that school and teacher understand the change that occur in the learning process and recognize that students as the younger generation need different abilities, knowledge, and try to understanding the process of learning the lesson in the school. With ICT internalization and digital development, the internalization of digital literacy in teaching material will help students to be more effective in learning, more competent, and become critical students in this digital era.
Thank you for watching this video. I'm Indra Rahmawati for SOREX 2020. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.